It is January 22nd, 2022. I'm at the foothills of the mountains in Bogota, Colombia. And I'm hearing some type of a creature going tick, 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 tick. And every time I move, I think it's right here. Oh, looks like it's at those motorcycles. Now I go over closer to where it is. Oh, and now the sound is way over on the other side of the bush. I'm trying to figure this out. Yep, now I'm over here. And then now the sound is way over around there. Now up. Now I hear it over here. Now I hear it right here. Oh, now I hear it in the motorcycle. Oh, now I hear it over here. This is bizarre. I cannot figure out what is making that ticking sound. I don't think it's a bird, or maybe it's some kind of a bug. Even if I shake the tree, no, it doesn't stop. Then I go over here, up, yep, now I hear it way over here again. I'm dumbfounded.